Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Media Encoder to Premiere Pro for batch exports. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Load the project you want to export. Review your timeline and ensure all edits are final. Go to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Export. Then, choose Media. Make sure to adjust any additional settings as needed. Once you're satisfied, look for the Q button at the bottom of the Export Settings window. Click Q to send the project to Adobe Media Encoder. This action will automatically open Media Encoder if it isn't already running. In Media Encoder, the project will appear in the queue. You can monitor the export progress from this window. To batch export, return to Premiere Pro and add more sequences to the queue. Repeat the export steps for each additional sequence you want to export. Each will appear in Media Encoder's queue automatically. Once all sequences are ready, click the green Start Queue button in Media Encoder. The software will process each export one at a time. Check the progress bar for updates on each file's status. Once completed, your files will be located in the specified output folder. Review the exported files to ensure everything is rendered correctly. And that's how you connect Media Encoder to Premiere Pro for batch exports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.